What's going on, everybody? Aaron here with Attention to Detail in Highland, Indiana, South Chicagoland's #1 Icon Rocklear installer. Today I've got a cool project. We've got this brand new Chevy Traverse in metallic tri-coat red. We did a full Icon Rocklear application to, as well as the wheels got ceramic coated with fireballs. Raptor. This vehicle's paint looks insane. The vehicle is now protected for 15 years. This vehicle came out fantastic. This Traverse literally looks incredible. I want to walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Roof to road coverage that this Traverse just got. Man, I'm super happy with how it came out, and them rims are just popping. So, when your vehicle comes to Attention to Detail, it gets the absolute utmost care. The first part of the process is that we're gonna bring your vehicle into our wash bay, and we're gonna start with our prep. Now, we only have one wash bay. You might be wondering why. You do so many cars, 60, 70 cars a month, why only one wash bay? Very, very important, the quality. If I only do one vehicle at a time, the quality is 100%. If I start doing two things at once, both cannot be 100%. So, the quality is very important. We're gonna bring your vehicle in, we're gonna start by doing a full foam wash, removing all the main dirt and grime on everything. The rims, the tires, the wheel barrels, the wheel wells, the brake calipers, the brake discs, every square inch of the vehicle. Then we take a detail brush, it's very similar to like a makeup brush, and we detail brush every crack and crevice to dislodge all the dirt. Things like your headlights, your taillights, front grille pieces, emblems, trims. We take your door handle, pull it out, detail brush behind there. The mirror, we go backwards, forwards, detail brush behind there. The mirror, actual glass itself, we go forwards, backwards, up, down, detailing it. Every single crack, crevice on your entire vehicle gets detailed from top to bottom, back to front. Then after that, we do our decontamination phase. So the first process of our decontamination phase is an iron decon. Our iron decontamination is gonna remove any iron particles, any brake dust, road grime. Then we'll do a clay bar treatment. If you haven't heard of a clay bar, it's basically about the size of a bar of soap. We take a piece of the bar of soap off and we rub it all over the paint. And what it does is it actually picks up all of the embedded contamination that's in the paint. Stuff you can't really see with your eyes, but you can really feel it with your hands. All that contamination comes off to give it a silky, silky smooth finish. And then we do our Icon Rip. Now, Icon Rip is known to rip off, no pun intended, any of the waxes, the sealants, dealership stuff, any sealants or paint waxes that could be on the surface and in the pores of the paint, we are going to remove. Very, very important that we do this because I am putting on a 15-year warranted coating on your paint. If you ever heard the term, you're only as strong as your weakest link, if I put on a 15-year coating on top of a 3-month wax, 4-month, 6-month wax, it's not gonna last 15 years. So it's very, very important that we do the Icon Rip to remove any of the waxes and sealants before applying Icon. After all of that, we're gonna tape off all the trim pieces, the emblems, we're gonna bring it into our booth to get coated. Our booth is right in front of me here. This booth is temperature controlled, it's air controlled, dust controlled, it's mopped and swept twice a day. Very, very important you have a clean environment when applying these coatings because you don't want little specks of dirt getting into the coating. This is a hand applied, the world's first self-leveling coating on the market, and it's very important that we do not get any little tiny dust specks. So that's why we use an enclosed booth. The booth is always the same temperature year-round. That way we have perfect installations for Icon Rocklear. Now, Icon Rocklear, when put on your vehicle, is up to 25 times thicker than any ceramic coating in the world. It's up to 75 times stronger than any ceramic coating in the world, up to 30% glossier, and up to 20 times the UV and oxidation resistance and protection, which means that light swirl marks and light scratches up to about 30%, you're not even gonna see them. It is super protective, it's super glossy, it's super awesome. It's the best hybrid between a ceramic coating and paint protection film for half the price of paint protection film. It's amazing. Guys, if you want to get your vehicle coated in Icon Rocklear or any of our other services like our traditional ceramic coatings, you want to get paint correction done, washing, detailing, undercoating protection, cavity and rust proofing protection, vehicle wraps, paint protection film, window tinting, powder coating, and so much more, do me a favor and book a consultation. What that consultation is going to do, you're actually going to go talk on the phone to Mr. T. He's going to set you up for a consultation in person. You're going to meet with me or one of my team members. We're actually going to meet you. We're going to shake your hand. We're going to walk you through the entire shop, show you the process, give you every single piece of information that you need to make an educated decision on what type of enhancement and protection that you want to do to your vehicle. Then once we finish the consult, bring it into the office, go through the pricing, go over your budget, options for your vehicle, take a deposit, get you on the schedule. You're good to go. We do this process because every vehicle, every trim, every year, all the mileages, they're all different for the vehicle. It's very hard to quote something without knowing exactly what I'm looking at, with exactly what I need to see. It's like quoting anything else. Like every roof on every house is different, right? You know, you can't just give a ballpark number. Guys, if you want to book a consultation, you can do so by giving me a call at 219-533-8783 or visit me on my website, www.attn2detail.info, or comesieaaron.com. Thank you guys so much. To email me if you want is service, SERVICE, at attn2detail.info. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy this brand new Chevy Traverse, Icon Rocklear all over the paint. We ceramic coated the rims as well with Fireball Raptor. Come get your Icon today. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys need anything, give me a call, 219-533-8783. Thanks again, Aaron, out.